Just go ahead and check the mail as usual. And yeah, as usual, no lottery ticket. Well, look at that pump. That says diesel. But there ain't no diesel. Why don't we pull on over there and put our credit card in it and everything before we realize that? Oh wait, we already did that. Put our second home today. And our carburetor repair kit there, the rebuild kit come in. We found two wrong things to replace the two right things that were on those motors originally. We'll see how much of this stuff doesn't work, and oh yeah, probably throw a couple more Pepsi cans over there in the floorboard until we find a trash can, because we hate littering. And let's go see if these 2847.4 things here, we can't finagle them up to make them real wrong. Mine no 50s, I can't put them on. Well, a fellow went to the Harbor Freight, got some new toolage here for $39.99. Kind of excited to use this here new toolage. Rum, rum. Listen to Cam. Figured you guys might like a project update here. So as you can see, we have completed all of the tabbing from the top edge up here. We still do have across the top, but that's nothing comparatively to all this. So all this tabbing is done now, all the way through. That I did that today. It's a real bear to get in there below that stringer. A fellow needs to be a contortionist, but as you can see through there, up and over that main stringer, then back across all the way up. Got these drain holes looking pretty good, and all the way up, back up. So all we've got to do now is, in here is all this flat, which will be a piece of cake comparatively to the all the tabbing work. And then we've got to strip everything out of here, like that little motor mount right there. Gonna snag it out of there. Gonna snag these two. You can't see that one, barely. And this one right here. And we'll probably just use those maybe for motor mounts and just turn them sideways, because our motor mounts are not, these are set up for motor plates, and we've got standard mounts, and that's what we're going to use, trying to keep the budget down. No need in plating up a couple of 330 horsepower stock 454s. So, and then we've got to strip out, we've got to take our lift cylinder out, we've got to take both of our C strainers out, and then pretty much, probably after we get all this glass done in here, we'll probably just pull it outside, get this hatch cover off, which weighs 4,522 pounds. Get all our wiring and everything straightened out and rigging done, clean up all this disastrous mess and nastiness everywhere, and paint out all this bilge. And this will be ready for the motors to go in. And on the exterior, so that's the engine compartment side. We're not getting into any of by the way, if anybody knows where to get a set of these bars that were removed, right here on both sides, I need both of them. I guess this guy that I got it from scavenged those out. I didn't even notice it. But if anybody's got a set of those, or knows somebody that does have a set, let me know, because I need them. These seats are very flimsical, flimsical, you know, right now. I don't want to be falling out of the boat or anything. So, yeah, and on the outside, we have to, see if I can back up here, get all of it in the picture. We still have to, of course, fill all these holes all the way over the entire back of the transom, except for the, of course, the outdrive holes. And we're gonna check, but I think those steering cylinders will mount up in those same holes, but we're still gonna go ahead and epoxy them. Just basically do the whole thing there. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray that out with some topside paint that I've got. I think it'll be fine. You know, it's not designed for below the water line, but it's not like we're gonna be spending weeks on end in the water. So that's where we're at on that. This is the, what is this? The port side engine. Getting it all put back together after cleaning it up. And then of course we gotta do the same thing on that one. And this thing's gonna be pretty sharp comparatively to stock, way better than it was. And what else do we have going on? Oh, both the transom assemblies, I've got those redone, painted. They're ready to start putting back together, so I've got to go ahead and order some parts for those. If anybody's got a good place to get parts for those outdrives or for those transom assemblies, give me a shout. I'll be glad to talk to whoever has the best quality and price products that there are out there for those Bravo transom assemblies. And got my carb kit today for the carburetor for that engine right there, which has this one's carburetor on it currently, but it's going to be coming back off when we finish this up. We're going to put this one back together. This one right here, the room. We're going to put it back together, put its original carburetor back on it, and rebuild that carb, get the transom assemblies put together. I mean, our original deadline was what, April 1? It is March 5th today. So we're tight on getting this thing put back together by then. So that's where we're at on everything. Figured I'd give you guys a project update, and it's moving along. By the way, if you do any fiberglass work or doing any fiberglass work, I picked this little bad boy up, little belt sander from Harbor Freight for like $39, and to do that area around the drain plug. And let me tell you, lifesaver. Buy one if you're doing any kind of work like this. Damn thing's worth every penny of the $40, and I'm sure that I'll use it in some other applications. So, all right, I'm getting tired. I'm gonna put manifold back on this one, which is back there. I'm gonna put that manifold back on this bad boy, and I think I'm gonna call it a night for today.